Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yeah, guys, this week I'm gonna be reacting to all solo artists, basically artists who are, of course, independent solo artists or K-pop idols who have done solo stuff. So yes, thank you for all your suggestions. I have taken them into account and I have just shortlisted the ones which had the maximum request or the requests which were pending for long. So today, yes, and I think now I'm gonna start doing like dedicated weeks. Like this is gonna be like a solo artist week, then probably I'm gonna do a live performance week, girl K-pop group week or boy K-pop group week. So I'm gonna do those kind of things now so that a lot of things get covered, like compilation week. So yeah, so today I will be reacting to Taemin's Criminal. This was pending for very long and has been highly requested. I know he's from SHINee and I've reacted to one song from SHINee. So yeah, Taemin, I think Taemin is the youngest one. He's the maknae of the group, if I am not wrong. So yeah, I will be reacting to Criminal and it's a latest song. It's not very old. It's a couple of months back. This released on September 7th, 2020. So yeah, his solo song. So I'm really excited. And I know SHINee as a group, they're back. So I want to see what they put out now as a group. And yes, I will probably I'll do a second gen week also. I think I'll do a K-pop second gen week where I react to all second gen K-pop groups. I think I should do that. So and also I see a lot of requests for reactions of the songs which I've already reacted to. So in case you want to check out what all I've reacted to, I've made separate playlists for each group. Just go to the playlist tab and see what every group have their separate playlists, so it's very easy for you to navigate and find out all the reactions that I've done. So yeah, enough chit chat, let's start and let's react to Criminal by Taemin. All right. Okay, super duper stoked. Okay, and already intrigued. Act 1. Never gonna dance again. Act 1. Okay. Wow. Look at the costume.
흐렸던 거 잘 알지 그 눈빛과 움직임 널 벗어나려 하지만 세뇌된 채로 고개를 끄덕여 난네 말에 꼬이고 춤추는 두 발이 왠지 싫지는 않지
Ooh, giving me the sexy vibes. It's giving me the sexy vibes. Taemin? Okay. Wow, his vocals are so intoxicating. I love his vocals, how mellow, the way he's... I know, I get a feeling that the song is gonna build up in the chorus part, like when the beat drop happens, but the way he starts, oh. And he dances so well. Look at his dancing. Yes, it was destined to be you only.
점점 더 깊이 끌려가 내게 빠진 순간 너는 결핍하지 않은 거야
The song itself has such second gen vibes, doesn't it? Huh, guys? Oh my god. It's reminding me of my school days. Seriously.
너
the beat, his vocals, the visuals. I wish I could, make you listen to my heartbeat right now. It's racing! It's racing, guys! It's racing! Oh my god. Oof, his vocals are just... Okay. I'm okay. I'm absolutely super.
너는 그 신처럼 나 유난 흔들어 네 아이 같은 표정 뒤에 아찔 한반전 소름이
I can exactly say this line to Taemin. Behind your innocent face, a frightening side of you gives me goosebumps. Yeah, same pinch. Oh my god.
상처로 벌어진 심장에 이미 질문이 가득하지
Deliberately making his voice super sexy.
깨끗하진 않으니
I love this. You soothe me just to torture me again. These exact lines can be sung for Taemin, I feel. Exact lines I'm gonna sing for you. Oh my god. Okay, the visuals are just killing me.
숨을 쉴 수 없게 아프면서 황홀하잖아
This song has such 90s vibe. I'm loving it.
더 깊이 끌려가 내게 빠진 순간 너는 결백하지 않은가
It's a mix of 80s and 90s, I feel.
도망쳐줘 Oh yeah 우아해 나 해지는 criminal It's okay 내 달래 건 괴롭혀 너란 목줄을 채웠나 숨을 쉴 수 없게 아프면서 황홀하잖아 우아해 날 마치는 criminal 난 okay 고개 저 거짓말
Don't be over. Don't be over.
벗어나길 원치 않아 전부 무너뜨려 날
Destroy me completely as well. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I think I was a little speechless for maybe more than 30 seconds because his vocals are so beautiful. I loved absolutely everything about this song. That's why, when you react to solo stuff, you just find out how the vocal range is. And Shiny, I just know one song of theirs, Lucifer. And of course, it is so beat heavy. This is also beat heavy, but not that much. This is more his sexy vocals. The vocals just blew me away. Taemin's vocals just blew me away, guys. Just blew me away. I loved it. I loved this song. Everything that Taemin was singing, I can just sing it back to him because this is a crime looking like this, singing like this, and just, such amazing beats of the song. I loved this. I loved this. Thank you so much for suggesting this to me, and I hope you enjoyed this reaction. I will be of course reacting to the solo artists. This is the entire week dedicated to solo artist songs and or K-pop idols who have done their solo stuff. So yes, that was my reaction for Taemin's Criminal. This was illegal in the best possible way. Guys. I loved it. Thank you so much again. I hope you've come to the end of the video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye.